Taimer's invoicing feature is designed to make your invoicing process fast and easy. You can add an invoice from the header or from the invoicing module or from within a project. You can view all your current and past invoices in the invoicing module. You can easily filter the view using time span, status, or any of the advanced search fields. For example, to view all your sent invoices, click on Status and select Send. By clicking on the More Options icon, you can print an invoice, share it, or change the status to sent or paid. You can even drag and drop columns to sort them by priority. Let us now see how to create an invoice from the invoicing module. Click on Add Invoice, and you will be taken to an invoicing template. The first thing you have to do is upload your logo and update your company and bank details in the given fields on the invoice. You only have to do this once. The added details will be synced to the settings and ready for this and all future invoices. Now that this is done, let's create our first blank invoice. You will have to select the customer to be billed. If this is an existing customer, the billing details are auto-generated. If not, you will have to add the details here and it gets saved for any future transactions. Next, add items to be invoiced, the description, amount, tax, and other details by clicking on Add Rows. Once done, you can either print and send the invoice right away or save them to invoice later. Did you know that Taimer can automatically list all the invoiceable projects for a given date range? Simply select the time span and you will notice all the customers that need to be invoiced. Please note that invoicing with materials is only possible with projects that have the status Invoiceable Project. When you mark a project or a lead as 1, Taimer automatically sets the status for you. Now you have the possibility to choose what is shown on the invoice upon creation by activating the tabs. Wasn't that easy and quick? Don't forget to check out the Taimer app. You can invoice on the go and even get a complete overview of your invoicing history. If you still have any questions, visit our Help Center and community page for more details.